Match Patch Pro FC. So you can see the difference. But usually, you know, if I stand way back, those become really, really small, okay? But after you put the joint fill in it, you're going to notice, you notice them. I call those fuzzy joints. So what we're going to do over here is we're going to take the Match Patch FC, and I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to repair these joints and give you very nice, clean, crisp edges. Do your little sample area to polish, and then compare with the matchstick. On this one, I think you can see number one over here. Now for a second reference, I go to the grout colors. Look at that. I'm thinking, well, but I'm going to go with one and add just a tad of brown. Next, just wrap some cardboard with some tape and stick it in the joint really quick after you clean it out. I mix it up a little thinner, make it easier to pour right over the top of the cardboard, and then I just quickly tool into the sides. Don't worry about going overfilling with Match Patch Pro. It does not leave a shadow like epoxies do, or if you just use straight resin or something of that nature. It takes about 10-15 minutes, and then you can start pulling this out, and it comes out pretty easily. Well, everything's cured. Patches are ground down, everything's clean. Now we're going to put Match Patch Pro Joint Fill 80, and a lot of people love this stuff. They say it's the best they've ever used. The thing we do is bleed off the tip. And you won't get a shadow. I don't have to put soap or anything on this. You won't get a shadow from Match Patch Pro Joint Fill 80 either, like you get with some of the cheaper brands. The reason you get that is because of a little bit of moisture that's on the surface. And Match Patch Pro Joint Fill 80 is moisture tolerant. So moisture doesn't hurt in its cure or cause a shadow. Just to demonstrate that, we'll put it right into this water. Just let it drop in there. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. Everything's good and dry, so I'm going to shave it. Let's take a look at what happened inside that water bottle. Empty this. Bottle open. Completely cured. You can see that the Joint Fill 80 does also take dye, so you don't have to go running and getting fancy colors to match whatever dye you're using, and then have whatever you have left over just sit there forever. But anyway, you can see the difference between fuzzy and crisp. Another thing is, you can't feel this at all. This one you can feel.